Discover its amazing health benefits. Welcome back to Living Well Daily. Today we're exploring a spice that's probably already in your kitchen: cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful spice, it's a natural powerhouse with incredible health benefits. From boosting your body's defenses to supporting overall well-being, incorporating it into your diet is easy. Sprinkle it on oatmeal or stir it into coffee. Unlock the secrets of this ancient spice for a healthier life. Let's start with the basics. Antioxidants. Imagine your cells constantly under attack by unstable molecules called free radicals. These troublemakers can damage your cells, leading to aging and various diseases. That's where antioxidants swoop in like superheroes, neutralizing those free radicals and protecting your cells from harm. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants like polyphenols, flavonoids, and phenolic acid, all working together to combat oxidative stress in your body. So, that sprinkle of cinnamon isn't just adding flavor to your food, it's also giving your body a fighting chance against the wear and tear of daily life. Now let's talk inflammation. We all experience it. A sprained ankle swells up, a cut becomes red and tender. That's acute inflammation, your body's natural response to injury. Chronic inflammation is a low-grade, persistent inflammation that can silently wreak havoc on your health. It's linked to heart disease, arthritis, and some cancers. The good news is that cinnamon can help. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Adding cinnamon to your diet can help tame that internal fire. This can translate into relief from joint pain and better overall body function. Let's talk about something that affects nearly everyone: blood sugar. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for energy, focus, and overall health. When we eat, especially sugary or refined carbohydrates, our blood sugar levels spike, leading to energy crashes and mood swings. Studies have shown that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, making your cells more responsive to insulin. This means glucose can enter your cells more efficiently, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. So, adding a dash of cinnamon to your oatmeal, yogurt, or even your coffee could make a real difference in managing your blood sugar naturally. It's a simple yet effective way to support your health. Chapter 4 supports heart health. Heart health is crucial. It's the engine that keeps everything else running. Lifestyle choices, especially diet, have a huge impact on our heart health. High LDL cholesterol builds up in your arteries, forming plaque. Studies suggest cinnamon can help reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. By lowering these fats, cinnamon supports a healthier cardiovascular system. Chapter 5 boosts brain function. Let's talk about the command center of your body, your brain. Emerging research suggests that cinnamon may offer cognitive benefits, enhancing brain function and protecting against age-related decline. The compounds found in cinnamon, particularly cinnamaldehyde, have demonstrated neuroprotective properties. In animal studies, cinnamon has shown promising results in improving memory, learning, and even reducing the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your diet could be a simple yet powerful way to support your brain health. Chapter 6 fights bacterial and fungal infections. We are constantly surrounded by microscopic invaders like bacteria and fungi. For centuries, cinnamon has been used in traditional medicine for its ability to fight infections. Cinnamaldehyde is a potent antimicrobial agent, so the next time you reach for a natural remedy, remember the power of cinnamon. Chapter 7 aids in weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and well-being. While there's no magic bullet for weight loss, certain foods and spices can support your efforts, and cinnamon is one of them. Remember how cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels? Well, that plays a key role in weight management. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, cinnamon helps prevent those dramatic insulin spikes, potentially reducing fat storage. Additionally, cinnamon has been shown to increase satiety, meaning it helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. Chapter 8 eases digestive discomfort. Our digestive system can be sensitive, reacting to stress, certain foods, or daily life. Cinnamon has a long history of soothing digestive ailments. It helps reduce gas and bloating by stimulating digestive juices. The warm aroma of cinnamon eases nausea and promotes calm. A warm cup of cinnamon tea or a sprinkle in your food can ease digestive discomfort. Outro: unlock the power of cinnamon. From boosting your antioxidant defenses to supporting heart health, balancing blood sugar, and even easing digestive discomfort, this humble spice packs a serious punch. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine is incredibly easy. Sprinkle it on your oatmeal, add it to your smoothies, stir it into your coffee, or even use it in savory dishes. Be sure to subscribe to Living Well Daily for more tips on natural health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the power of natural remedies.